Hello to everyone. Today I would like to unbox together with you my new gold coins and some silver. So it come from the Germany. From the company name is Argentum Maschinenbau GmbH Logistik. So let's start to unbox the gold and silver. It's really difficult to okay. Still keep okay. And now here. Gold is at this time possible investment option right now, at this time when actions is going down and cryptocurrency is also going down. We have here the recession and big inflation. Gold is from my side always symbol of wealth, and gold is also the unique every investor have to hold it purely. Envelope with papers. Here are some prospects. Britannia, Royal Mint prospect. Here is the Argentum, and inside you can see the okay, so we can check together what we have here. Here is the silver, 1 kilo, 999. Look very nice. Argor Herairas. Okay, we can check next one. We can check next one. Okay, so I have it here. So first one, this is 1 ounce, this Canada maple leaf. Next one, gold coin. Here is next one. This is Britannia, 100 pounds, Elizabeth. And next coin is here. Again, the Canada. Okay. Gold had explosive growth in recent years. At the start of 2000, because at this time the value of this gold was $460, and now the value is $1,820, what is really nice. And I believe that this trend will continue at this time, because historically it was always like this. Noah's Ark is very beautiful coin, American bullion coin 2022, with very nice plastic cover. But what I said, historically, when start to inflation, recession, the value of gold increased dramatically. So I think that it will be again now. So don't forget to subscribe and my channel, and also you can check the link below. You can find the address when I ordered these gold coins, and this silver I have here. It's not see like this, but I have here 8,000 euro. Means maybe it's a lot money, and really little gold coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gold coins and 1 silver. So what can I say? Maybe something about silver. Investing in silver can sometimes come with some turbulence. It's not the same as the gold. As the silver price is usually much more volatile, as I said, than that of gold. That's why silver is sometimes jokingly referred to as gold on steroids. So silver isn't wrong, but really I'm saying that it's good to have some diversification. You need to invest to the gold, to silver, to platina, to maybe to copper also to the flat new house, garage, land, also to cryptocurrency at this time, also to any picture, paint, historical coins, and maybe also to do car if you have more money. Of course, some veteran, something like that. But at least don't forget for you, me. It means invest to yourself. So keep your health, and keep your mind in good condition. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.